In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your big Cartel store. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, head over to your big Cartel dashboard. This is the central hub of your online store, where you manage everything from your products to your sales data. Once you're there, look for the account option located at the top of your dashboard. It's quite easy to spot, so click on it, and it will guide you to a new page full of different settings and options all related to your store account. Now, as you're scrolling down this page, keep an eye out for a section labeled Get Paid. This is a crucial step. The Get Paid section is specifically designed to help you manage how you receive payments from your customers. It's here where we're going to set up the process that will allow your store to accept payments via PayPal, a popular and secure method many online shoppers trust and prefer. Once you've located the Get Paid section, click on Set up your payment options. This will lead you to a new page dedicated entirely to configuring your payment methods. It's important to select the right options because they determine how funds from your customers will reach you. Within this payment options setup, you'll see an option to Connect PayPal. Click on that, and you'll be taken through the process of linking your PayPal account with your big Cartel store. PayPal is well known for its robust security features and worldwide recognition, which means your customers will feel safer and more inclined to complete their transactions. At this point, you just need to log in with your PayPal email address and password. This is the account that your store will use to process payments. Remember to ensure that the email you log in with is associated with your active PayPal account. If you haven't set up a PayPal account yet, you'll need to do that first. Fortunately, connecting PayPal to Big Cartel is straightforward, as both platforms work seamlessly together to help you receive payments efficiently. And there you have it. That's all it takes to connect your PayPal account to your big Cartel store. Once everything is set up, your customers will have the option to pay using PayPal, and you can rest assured knowing that all the transactions will be secure and smoothly processed. By offering PayPal, you're enhancing the trust and convenience for your buyers, which can significantly improve your sales and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching this guide. Make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to optimize your online store. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for further assistance. Happy selling!